How to earn money using YouTube Shorts. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make money using YouTube Shorts. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply go to youtube.com. You're probably watching this video on YouTube, so you know YouTube. YouTube is a video sharing platform which is really famous and has billions of users. Now, we have YouTube Shorts as well. What is YouTube Shorts? Well, YouTube Shorts is just like TikTok, and it allows us to share short videos, mobile videos right here. So on YouTube, we know that we make money with our simple channels, right? We can monetize our channel and we make money on YouTube. But do you know that you can also make money with YouTube Shorts? So I will tell you about different ways to make money with YouTube Shorts and how we can use it for promotion as well and for affiliate marketing. Without any further ado, let's jump into it. So the first way to make money using YouTube Short is, of course, through YouTube. YouTube has a YouTube Shorts fund that allows people to make money through YouTube Shorts. And now, this was actually introduced by YouTube once YouTube Shorts gained more popularity, and it is a fund which is $100 million and to reward creators for their dedication to making creative and original shorts. So there are different criteria to it, and if you have good shorts on YouTube Shorts, then you will be able to directly make money from YouTube. So that is actually a really good opportunity to use YouTube Shorts. All you have to do is it should be original. So your YouTube channel need to have uploaded at least one eligible short in last 180 days. Your channel should of course follow the YouTube community guidelines, copyright and everything. Then you don't need to add any kind of watermarks or logos on third media platforms, and you must be above 13 years old. So these are the different countries where YouTube Short Fund is available, and I think almost all the countries of the world are given here. So this is actually pretty impressive that YouTube has a YouTube Shorts funds for us that allows us to make money on YouTube. So this is the first way to make money. You will be able to make thousands of dollars using YouTube Shorts. Another way to make money on YouTube Short is, okay, let's say that you want to use it for promotion, and how to actually create YouTube Shorts to make money. So we actually do affiliate marketing on YouTube, and this helps us to make money. We can use YouTube Shorts for promotion. Now, you don't even need to show your face. Here's the thing for you guys. Even if you want to, take part in YouTube Shorts funds, or if you want to, upload your own shorts and make money, and you do not want to show your face, you can use stock footage. So I will actually suggest you guys to check out pexels.com, which is a stock footage platform, and it has photos and videos, thousands of photos and videos for you that are completely free. So there is no copyright. One of the main things on YouTube is copyright, because if there is copyright issue, then you cannot make money even if it's your simple video. But on Pexels, you will get all of the image for free, and it has photos and videos. Let's say I want to create animal related videos, right? So I can search for cat, and if I go to videos, I have like more than 1,000 videos for free that I can use for my YouTube channel. You can see right here. This is perfect. Maybe I want to create a video on fitness. So I'm just going to search for fitness, and then we can go to videos, and it will again give me, like, it has more than 9,000 videos to choose from, and these are all completely free. Now I can add my text, and I can edit a video and create a YouTube Shorts using Pexels. Now, how to edit your videos for your YouTube Shorts? It's really easy to do. You can use canva.com. Canva.com is a designing tool which you can use online, and you can also use it on your mobile phone. It allows us to edit videos and edit photos, create presentation and logos. But we will be using Canva to create a mobile video, because YouTube Shorts are actually, this is the view of YouTube Shorts, which is a mobile video. So you can go to canva.com now and go to mobile video right here, and it will open up your canvas for you. Go to Pexel and download the video you want to add, which is a free video. And now you can edit your video with music, which is free again. And you can also add text. You can add any kind of link for your merchandise, for your affiliate marketing, for your e-commerce, for your landing page, any kind of link you can add to your YouTube right here, and you can actually create product review videos too. And then you will be using YouTube Short to actually make money and get traffic to your merchandise, to your landing page, to your affiliate program. So even if you want to create product review videos, which actually pay a lot, you might have not heard about product review videos, but let me give you a tip. It's really good. What we can do is, if you have some followers or if you are good in editing, you can create YouTube Short product reviews, and you can review a product and you can tell people to use that product and tell them that this is actually a really, really good product. And then what you can do is you can actually make money with it from different clients, from different companies, and even on YouTube. So making money on YouTube Short is really, really easy. And then you can also sell your products using YouTube Shorts, and of course, they will help you make money. Another way you can make money using YouTube Short is by monetizing your YouTube channel. Now, hear me out. What happens on YouTube is that we have a channel and we can add regular videos and we can add short videos as well. Now, YouTube Short is actually a really good way to get traffic to your channel. And if you're creating short videos, they get more views. For example, check these videos out. They have thousands of views, like 39K, 10K, 11K, 135K, 1 million K, 37K, 373K, 58K. So this is actually a pretty good way, just like TikTok, to get famous on YouTube. And once you have YouTube Short and you're getting the traffic to your YouTube channel, you can also upload some of the regular videos then, like 4 minute plus, and it will help you monetize your YouTube channel. And then of course, you already have the audience, you will be able to make more money. And we know that we can make fortune with YouTube channels. So YouTube gives you all opportunity to make money with your content. It promotes high quality content and original content. So if you have it, then you will be able to actually make money on YouTube, and YouTube Shorts will help you do so, and you can use them in any way you like, even without showing your face, and you will be able to earn in thousands.
So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.
This brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to make money using YouTube Shorts. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.